How you doing? Brad from wpsites.net. Let's take a look at adding a logo to the Outreach Pro theme by StudioPress. This is a request for a tutorial by a member, and they've got a header image which is 300 by 298, which is not a good size at all for this theme, but that's the size they want to use. So we need to make some changes to the code, and we need to change the code in the functions file and also in the style sheet. So if we go to the functions file, we'll just take a look at the code for the header image, and where is it? Right here, add theme support custom header. The default size is 100 by 340, so this is the best size to use. This has been tested in the theme, and if you want to add your header image, try to make it that size, because it'll just be so much easier. You won't need to make any modifications to the CSS. But he wants it 300 width by 298, so we need to change these sizes here on line 43 of the child themes functions file. 298. Alright, so we just change them, we'll save the changes, and let's upload the image. I've got the image on desktop. We go to customize, header image, and we can see the size here has been changed, so this matches the exact same size that the client wants to use. So upload files, and we'll find it on the desktop. Here it is here. So 300 by 298, and that's the size I want to use. Skip cropping. So that's added it there. We publish this. Now that's not the size of the logo, so we need to make modifications to the CSS. So we'll go to the style sheet, and we go down to the site headers section, line 1033, and the height 298. Change this to 298. The width we can change to 300. Scroll down here a bit. Minimum height, make this 298. And that's about it. So we'll save those changes, and there we have it. So that's perfect, but clearly it's not a good size to use with this theme. If you're using Chrome, make sure you clear caching, because otherwise it might not. It might have cached saved the old CSS. So it's as simple as that. Always best to use the default sizes, which you can check in the functions file for the custom header code there. So thanks for watching.